Ndase county ya Nyamira asomurobiryo oyuo bogochengera gose wikirania litukeri galia World AIDS Day omojega okolekana segeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Kebirigo yogotoka imeye ward ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirango niga babwatani kurwase county yino baro baumerana unenchira ya moyo gosanga na konyorobo semia chinchira chowetanga ne oborwaire asokonyora ebinyinyi ebyo byenyamoleo. Dr. Stephen Wando oyore omo head of health finance and polling imeye county ya Nyamira nigo bona tebirenga omubaro omonene bwabasubati bali nebinyinyi byenyamoleo nigo korolekana kobo monge wetania omubaro bwabasacha munatokumanyirwa no muri kitukuru ase county ya Nyamira Fatika Digisemba
nase omonyega buchengera rituko ry'enyamoreo ensengima ase county ya Nyamira yachengera ritukerio ase skuru y'oboroso ya Kebirigo aiga nigo yaenekiwa buna ebinyinyi by'enyamoreo mbigendrete kwenekiwa imeye county ya Nyamira ase abang'ina gose abasubati bare asomobaro omonene yekorenganwa na basacha bari ababwate ebinyinyi ebyo.
According to the 2025 Kenya HIV estimates, 25,000 people are estimated to be living with HIV in Nyamira. Out of that, 14,200 people are currently enrolled and receiving care and treatment in our facilities. Out of these, 4,900 are male and at least 9,800 are female. A reminder that the burden of HIV continues to fall disproportionately on women and girls. This HIV prevalence stands at 2.67%, higher than the several counties that surround us, a clear indication that Nyamira still faces significant challenges in reducing new infections.
Kubatikana n'omuyega oyo nigo abasubati baria baibwatiranetie basabirwe wesokya eryokorengwa na keranyarekane buna ebinyinyi ebyo byanyorekanire nabo omwana agokonywa n'abanyagitari eryotanyora ebinyinyi ebyo byenyamoreo aseboigo bakwanira amarito amapema koba ekemo kyabo keria gekwirira abantu abange kwambukirania ebinyinyi ebyo.
Faced by our adolescents and young people, Nyamira continues to witness high rates of teenage pregnancies, rising cases of school dropout, and significant levels of gender-based violence. The social vulnerabilities fuel new HIV infections, especially among adolescents, girls, and young women. This forms a triple threat that undermines the health, dignity, and future of the youth.
Igati yabo bakinire kubarene binyinyi ebyo nigo ensemo yabo baire abando moyo buna nabo bakomenya buna omuntu ndebwensi na kende tikeyo kerasinye kubabwatetie amachikonsi korengana na banyagitari.
Nilisariwa katika kijiji cha Ibucha huko Sironga na mama yangu alifariki na papa yangu pia. Hapo kwa kusaliwa kwangu nilipatikana tu nimesaliwa na virusi. Hiyo miaka yote mimi nimeishi nayo, nikafanikiwa nikaolewa, ndio kuna papa ya huyu na ni Mjaruo. Usifikirie eti utaolewa ama utapata watoto, utapata. Na vile mnaona huyu hapa, huyu mjamaa ako sawa. Msikue na shaka ama usijione ufai kwa vile unaweza jifikiria, usifanye hivyo kabisa. Hiyo tu ni kitu inakuwa ya dunia na inapita tu, lakini Mungu mwenye alituumba yeye hawezi katuacha na anajua hiyo sababu ilikuja aje.
Omweri oye basabire kera oyomo utiga kubanengeta abaiga bare nebinyinyi ebyo naboigo okeania eriomana asechinga amo nebintu biria birairere omuntu kwenyora asa kongu egento kirairere konyora ebinyinyi ebyo.
Among our children, at least 582 are living with HIV and 800 adolescents aged between 10 and 19 require target protection and support. Young people aged between 15 and 24 account for 1,460 individuals living with HIV, reinforcing the urgent need to strengthen youth-friendly services and empower our adolescents with accurate information and access to prevention tools.
Hingo ripota Gatembe koraiga se skuru yoboroso ya Kibirigo egotoka imenye wodi ya Wanyamatuta West Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Isemba